Hey guys, I wanted to come on real quick and do a review of this dye that I got. Oh, sorry. Straighten y'all back over here. And you have to excuse me because I cut this and then I was like, oh, I better show everybody what it's all about. So, I mean, I know you guys probably already know, but for those of you who do not know, I got this on my Hobby Lobby haul the last video, and it was reduced. The orange sticker is my favorite, to $2.75. It was $2.99 originally, and it was for this embossing folder and die that's in one. It's not two that you have to put together. And are those mine? Oh yeah. And this one that says hello. Okay, so it's by Lindsay Serrata, and I was on the fence about getting these, and then I saw it for $2.74, and I was like, yeah, let me do that. Why not, for $3? So this is what I came up with. This is a literally really quick card. This was just a card base I had in my stash. This came out of my scrap pile, and this as well, this silver that I did the hello, and of course everybody in the world's favorite Nuvo drops. So I just wanted to let you see, this was just a rub on that. My sentiments exactly. If you ever order anything from them, you always get these little rub-ons, which I think is adorable. So I did not pay attention to this having a pattern on the other side, but it's all good. Most people who receive a card from me know that it's homemade, but that's adorable. So this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It was one of the quickest cards I've ever made, and I love it. So now I have an extra card for my stash just to say hello. Kind of makes me want to go back by Hobby Lobby. Today's Sunday, so made me go back and see if there's any more, which I highly doubt it. But anyway, I just store them in these Avery L pockets, and I have a little magnetic sheet. If you guys are ever looking for magnetic sheets, I know people say go and get the little vent covers from Lowe's. I don't know how much those cost, but if you ever go to Oriental Trading, there are a pack of 12, 8.5 by 10, I believe. You can get 4 inserts for the Avery L pockets out of one sheet. As a matter of fact, hold on, I got one right here. This is the whole sheet. I had one left over, 2. I have 2 left over, and I made 50 pockets out of just one pack, I believe. So I might be doing my math wrong on that. Anyway, anywho, my whole point was to just say that this was totally a win for me. And you know, I don't get them very often, so I have to, you know, share as much as I can. But it's cut and embossed in one step. I did cut the middle part out just in case I forget, but I can't see how I would. Then again, you never know. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Jen, if you're watching, I enjoyed speaking with you last night, and if you have any of these, let me know. I'd like to know, because I don't know, I don't remember how many there were there, or if there were any others, or if this was the only one, but I'm sure it's not. So let me know what you guys think. I'll see you probably tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday afternoon. Bye.